History isn't just a story of bad people doing bad things. It's quite as much a story of people trying to do good things, but somehow something goes wrong. As long as the old self is there, its taint will be over all we do. We try to be religious and become Pharisees. We try to be kind and become patronizing. Social service ends in red tape and officialdom. Unselfishness becomes a form of showing off. I don't mean, of course, that we're to stop trying to be good, but I do mean that the real cure lies far deeper. Out of ourselves and into Christ we must go. When Christ died, he died for you individually, just as much as if you'd been the only man in the world.